I do. So there's a problem from the homework. This is what we were practicing last week. One more chance to really get this thing nailed down because, again, test is Friday. Expectation that you can do this. What's up?
Would that be 8x to the 5th or 8x to the 6th?
8x to the 5th versus 8x to the 6th. What do you got? What's everybody else think? We know it's going to be when I take this. There we go. Now I'm on the screen. When I multiply these guys together, it is going to be 8x. And it's 8x to the 3rd times x squared. So that's going to be x to the 5th. When you multiply the bases, add the exponents. That's a very ugly 5. There we go. Yeah, this would be like FOIL, but we don't like to call it FOIL because FOIL only works for 2 binomials.
Are you multiplying or adding?
I multiplied x to the 3rd times x squared, so I add the exponents together.
And you added them because they were 2 x's?
Because they're both x's.
2 and 4, and you add 3 and 2.
Yes. When you multiply common bases, add the exponents. And I'm going to write this below it just so we're all on the same page. 2x to the 3rd times 4x squared. That's where that came from. Switch colors out. Go ahead and we'll do this one now. This one at least isn't so bad. 2x to the 3rd times y is just 2x to the 3rd y. There's no combining there. Can't do anything with it. So now I can go ahead and let's take this pairing. And again, I can't really do a lot with this based on what I'm multiplying. So it's just 12, that's the 3 times the 4, times x squared, times y. And last, but certainly not least,
Plus 3y squared.
3y times y, 3y squared. So really the hardest part of this was that first step, getting that guy out of the way. And cleaning that mess up.
It was like already cleaned up.
Yeah, and there's nothing I can combine here because this term is x to the 3rd, and this is x squared, and I can't combine those. Now, before we leave this problem, this is not part of the homework, but it's a good bit of review. Let's do a quick check. Yeah, that is the question. What degree is this?
It's 4th degree. It's polynomially and quadrinomially.
Okay. Pause. Back up. Finally, I started hearing the right answer there. Remember, degree is the highest exponent of any one set of terms. So in this case, this is a 5th degree because this is the highest exponent present. While we're talking about degrees, what degree is that term? It's not the 2nd, it's the 3rd, because we're adding the 2 and the 1. That's a 3rd degree. And what kind of, is this my final answer, trinomial, binomial, what do we call it? Just call it polynomial, because it's got 4 or more terms. All right, cool.